YouTube channel. Sa videong ito ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa addition of similar and dissimilar fractions. Ano ba ang kaibahan ng similar at saka dissimilar fractions? Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. And now, let's start! Okay, before we will begin, let us know what is fraction. What are the parts of fraction and what are the kinds of fraction? Fraction is used to represent the portion or part of the whole thing. It used to represent the equal parts of the whole. Examples of fractions are 1/2, 1/3, 2/5, or 3/4. These are the fractions. In fractions, it has two parts. The first one, we have numerator. Numerator is the top part of a fraction. So, ang numerator, dito. Itong dalawang 1, 2, and 3, ito yung tinatawag na numerator. Nasa taas. And the second one, we have denominator. Denominator is the bottom part of a fraction. Ang denominator naman, andito siya sa baba. Itong 2, 3, 5, and 4. These are called denominator. Okay? In kinds of fraction, we also have two. The first one, we have similar fraction, and the second one, we have dissimilar fraction. Similar fractions are fractions with have the same denominators. So, this is example of similar fractions. 4/5 plus 6/5. Tinatawag siyang similar fractions kasi pareha sila ng denominator, which is 5. They are both have 5 denominators. And the second one, we have dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with have different denominators. And this is the example of dissimilar fractions. 7/8 plus 3/12. Tinatawag siyang dissimilar fractions kasi yung denominator niya is hindi magkaparehas, which is 8 and 12. Okay? So, how to add similar fraction? In addition of similar fraction, napakadali at napakabilis lang. For example, we have 4/5 plus 3/5. Since they are both have the same denominator, which is 5, ang gagawin natin, ikakopy lang natin siya dito. And then, i-add lang natin tong numerator. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7/5. Tanong, final answer na ba siya? Hindi pa. Kasi, pwede pa siyang ma-reduce or ma-simplify. Bakit pwede pa siyang ma-reduce or ma-simplify? Kasi, malaki tong numerator kaysa sa denominator. Nagiging improper fraction siya. Okay lang sana pag naging 5/7 yan kasi yan yung magiging final answer niya. Kaso, ito, improper fraction. Ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin siya. 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 equals 1, and 1 times 5 equals 5, and 7 minus 5 equals 2. So, the final answer natin is 7/5 or 1 and 2/5. So, paano ko siya in-arrange? Bale, itong quotient, magiging whole number, and then the divisor na 5, magiging denominator siya, and then yung remainder na 2, magiging numerator siya. So, ganun lang kadali. Okay? Let's have second example. We have 5/10 plus 4/10. So, ang LCD niya is 10, parehas lang, i-copy lang natin dito, and then, i-add natin tong numerator, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So, ito na yung final answer niya. Ganun lang kadali, 9/10. Hindi na siya pwedeng ma-simplify kasi wala na siyang factor na pwedeng ma-divide sa 9 at saka sa 10. So, ito na yung simplest form niya. Now, let's proceed to the second kind of fraction. How to add dissimilar fraction? In addition of dissimilar fraction, medyo tricky siya. Medyo mas mahirap compare dun sa similar fraction kasi hindi na siya magkaparehas ng denominator. For example, we have 4/5 plus 2/10. So, ang denominator niya is 5 and 10. Hindi na siya magkaparehas. The first thing that we are going to do is to find the LCD or least common denominator. What is LCD or least common denominator? LCD is the lowest common multiple of the denominators of a set of fractions. So, kung hindi nyo naman kayang i-eye to eye para mahanap ang LCD, pwede namang ganito, 5 and 10. Kasi dalawang LCD 5 and 10. Ang gagawin, start tayo sa 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. End muna tayo dito. Nakadepende naman sa inyo kung saan kayo mag-end hanggat sa may makita na kayong least common multiple. And the next one is 10. Start tayo sa 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, ngayon, hanapin na natin yung LCD niya or least common multiple. Yung pinakamaliit na number na magkaparehas. So, ang nakita natin is 10. Ito lang yung number na pinakamaliit dito na magkaparehas. So, our LCD is 10. Copy lang natin dito. And then, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Okay? And 2 times 4 equals 8. Copy lang natin yung plus sign. Next, 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. Next, add natin yung numerator. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Copy lang natin yung denominator, which is 10. So, 10 over 10. Final answer na ba siya? Hindi pa. Kasi pwede pa siyang ma-simplify or ma-reduce by, we just add 10 divided by 10 equals 1. So, the final answer is 1. Okay? 10 over 10 or 1. Now, let's have the second example para mas maintindihan natin. 2 over 12 plus 5 over 8. So, ang denominator niya is 12 and 8. The first thing that we are going to do is to find the LCD. 12, 8. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And 12 times 4 is 48. So, end muna tayo dito. Next, sa 8 naman tayo. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. So, add muna tayo. So, hahanapin na natin ngayon yung LCD niya or yung number na least common multiple. So, sa nakikita natin, itong meron na ba? Meron na. 24. 24 is the LCD. So, lagay natin dito. And then, same process. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. 2. And 2 times 2 equals 4. Copy yung plus sign. And the next, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. And 3 times 5 equals 15. Add the numerator. 15 plus 4 equals 19. And copy the denominator. 24. So, 19 over 24. Ang tanong, ma-simplify pa ba siya or ma-reduce? Hindi na. Kasi wala na siyang factor na pwedeng ma-divide sa 19 or sa 24. Bale, ito na yung simplest form niya. So, the final answer natin is 19 over 24. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope na may natutunan naman kayo mula sa ating video ngayon. Again, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.